Pretty special day. I've been waiting a long time for this. So if you guys have been following along with the other stuff going on the page, been working on replacing all the suspension underneath the Talon over the last year or so. And these are the last pieces of the puzzle. So I got some stuff from Volk. So I got some lower control arms for the front. Those need to go on. These are from FIBA Motorsports. These are the upper control arms for the front. Super, super slick. Again, all with the pine joints everywhere. And then this is actually for the steering, so that you can adjust the bump steer out of the car, right? So change the rod so that it's not at an angle anymore. So that's all coming. Pretty excited. But then as you saw recently, the rear strut on my GIC coilovers, they died. I've been looking for a replacement, and via the forum and just life experience, being a DSMer, I reached out to John Mueller at Mueller Suspension. Highly recommend working with him. He's been unbelievable, and he suggested that we build some custom Ohlins for the car. Right. So here's the box. Been waiting a really long time, but they just arrived today, and we're gonna open this thing up. All right. Pretty exciting. See what these look like. Oh, baby. Now, if you're watching this and you're interested in getting you a set of these, we'll talk about that down the road and how you can get that going. But these are custom made and already pre-set up for the Talon. Huge thunderstorm going on outside. Absolutely sick. I cannot wait to put these on the car. That is the top box. Those appear to be the fronts. And that would make these the rears. There's some alignment settings. We'll set those aside. All important stickers, of course. These would be the fronts. Those were the rears. You know, I could learn how to use a razor. Don't want to scratch anything. There we go. Awesome. So they're all labeled. Notice the custom springs. Everything is made for the car. This is clearly the right one. It is said to be right. It's even labeled as right. Freaking awesome. So hopefully soon we're gonna have a little build day. Throw all these on the car. I cannot wait. And then have some driving thoughts videos here soon. But again, notice the springs. Totally custom. Awesome stuff. Stay tuned. More to come.